Good afternoon, dear students. Today I am going to explain you exercise 7C of unit 7, that is fraction. I have already done that in the Zoom class, but still I am going to revise you that exercise again, and then we will go on with exercise 70 as well. I hope you all are doing good and doing all the questions very clearly. So just listen to the video very carefully and then do all the questions. Then whenever we meet in our Zoom meeting, just make sure आपके डाउट सारे क्लियर हो. For that you all have to practice more and more. Okay, so just to practice and don't waste your time at all. So just let's start with our video. My dear students, exercise 7C is on page number 59 है ना. In exercise 7C what we have adding and subtracting like fractions. So let me explain you how to add like fractions in a very good method. Let me do it. So adding, first of all I'll tell you adding like fractions. अब like fractions को हम ऐड कैसे करते हैं? देखो बहुत सिंपल चीज़ है. आपको अगर इसको ऐड करना है तो द सम इज़ इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड करो, डिवाइडेड बाय योर कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर. बिकॉज लाइक फ्रैक्शन में क्या होता है, आपके डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम ना. सो जस्ट divide the sum of numerators with common denominators. For example, if I am taking 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7, denominators are same. Okay, so let me take the common denominator and then add the numerators. What you will get 5 by 7, and 5 by 7 is your answer. Let's take another example. For example, I am having 5 is to 7 by 8 plus 3 by 8. In this question बेटा, first of all convert this mixed fraction into improper. कैसे करते हैं कन्वर्ट? 5 into 8 जो आपका होल नंबर होता है उसको डिनोमिनेटर से वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड देन ऐड इट विद द न्यूमरेटर डिवाइडेड बाय डिनोमिनेटर. दिस आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू बट स्टिल आई एम डूइंग इट अगेन. 5 8s are 40 plus 7 divided by 8 plus 3 by 8. What it will be? It will be 47 by 8 plus 3 by 8. तो कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर लिया एंड देन ऐड द न्यूमरेटर्स. व्हाट यू विल गेट 50 by 8. नाउ जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग, क्या ये 50 by 8 सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में है? नो, वी कैन कैंसिल इट आउट विथ 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So what will be your answer? 25 by 4. This can also be converted into mixed fraction. 6 is to 1 by 4. कैसे निकाला मैंने 4 को 25 से डिवाइड किया. सो 4 6 24 minus 1. सो होल नंबर इज रिटन हेयर एंड देन द न्यूमरेटर and the remainder at the numerator and your denominator as it is. Is it clear? Now this is the addition of the particular number. और अगर कोई क्वेश्चन इस तरह से आए जैसे 1 is to 3 by 8 plus 2 is to 1 by 8, दोनों ही मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में हो, तो what you have to do, first of all convert these impropers into these mixed fractions into impropers. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 by 8 plus 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17 by 8. Now common denominator and add the numerator. What you will get? 1 plus 7 is 8, 28 by 8. Let's divide it with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again we can divide it with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 40. So what will be your answer? 7 by 2. और अगर मिक्स्ड में चेंज करोगे तो 3 is to 1 by 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 by 2. ठीक है बेटा, ये क्वेश्चंस जब मैम करती है ना तो दे आर लुकिंग वेरी इजी, बट वेन एवर यू विल डू तो देन यू विल हैव सम प्रॉब्लम्स. सो ट्राई टू डू दीज क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर ओन. एक्सरसाइज 7C के सम का आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू. लेट अस डू द डिफरेंस कैसे निकालते हैं ऑफ द सेम फ्रैक्शंस. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू डू इज सब्ट्रैक्टिंग लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. ठीक है, सो हाउ शुड वी सब्ट्रैक्ट लाइक फ्रैक्शन? द फॉर्मूला इज डिफरेंस of the like fractions is equals to difference of numerator divided by common denominator. For example, if I am having a question 8 by 15 minus 4 by 15, common denominators we are having just because it is a like fraction. So what you have to do is just write the common denominator and then the difference of the numerator. You will get the answer. 4 by 15 is already in the simplest form, so we need not to do anything else. Now the next question, if we are having one mixed fraction and one proper fraction. So what should we do? Let's convert this mixed fraction into improper. 9 to the 18, 18 plus 4 is 22 divided by 9 minus 7 by 9. So let's write down the common fraction and the difference of the numerator. Common denominator लिखा and then the difference of numerator. So what it will be? 22 में से 7 minus करो, what you will get? 15. 15 by 9, and it is not in the lowest term, so we should divide the numbers. Both the numbers are odd, so we can divide them with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So what will be your answer? 5 by 3. But बच्चे 5 by 3 is improper, so you all can convert it into mixed one. 1:2 by 3 is your answer. Is it clear? Let me take some more example of subtracting these numbers. For example, if you are having 10:5 by 18 minus 5:7 by 18. So how will you do this question? First of all, multiply the numbers. 18 into 10 is 180. 180 plus 5 will be 185 by 18 minus 18 5s are 90. 90 plus 7 is 97 by 18. Now we have to write the common denominator and the difference of the numerators. Let's subtract the number in the rough part. 185 को 97 से subtract करो. This will be 7. 15. 15 में से 7 minus करो. We will get 8. 17 में से 9 minus करो. 8. So we will get 88 by 18. So what will be our answer? This is not in the mixed form. ये आपका lowest terms में नहीं है, simplified form में नहीं. तो let's simplify them. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. So it will be 44 by 9. The number is in improper fraction. Let's convert them into proper. Let's convert them into mixed fraction. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45 होता है. 36 में 8 प्लस करोगे तो you will get 9. ठीक है. So the mixed fraction is your answer to the question. So now you all can do all the questions of exercise 7C. ठीक है. Next is our exercise 7D. In this exercise 7D we have to add unlike fractions. ठीक है. We have to add unlike fractions. बेटा unlike fractions क्या होता है? Unlike fractions in which denominators are different. For example, let me take one question. Before doing the questions, there are two methods which we have to do. First method is to convert into like fraction and then add the numbers. First method is to convert into like fractions and then add. ठीक है. तो let me do this part. For example, your A part is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. If you have to convert them into like fraction, what you will do? You have to find out the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators यानी LCM of 3 and 4. So what will be the LCM of 3 and 4? It is 12. Now take the first fraction and try to make it a fraction with denominator 12. So 3 में what should I get? So what should I multiply so that I get 12? I will multiply it with 4. In the same manner you have to multiply with the same number in numerator as well. So it will be 4 by 12. Next is your 1 by 4. तो सिमिलरली आपको 4 में क्या ऐड करना है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है सो दैट आपको 12 मिले 3 एंड 3 1s are 3. सो व्हाट आर योर नंबर्स? 4 by 12 एंड 3 by 12. यू हैव टू ऐड देम. तो ये तो बहुत सिमिलर हो गया. कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर लिखो और ऐड करो न्यूमरेटर्स को. सो योर आंसर विल बी 7 by 12. इज़ इट ईजी ना? सबसे पहले क्या किया? कन्वर्ट किया लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में, उसके बाद ऐड किया. कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम लिया एंड यू विल गेट 12. फिर उसके बाद जो आपके जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं उनको लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करके एंड देन आई हैव एडेड द नंबर. इज़ इट क्लियर? येस. सो लेट्स टेक द क्वेश्चन. इन दिस क्वेश्चन you need not to convert them into like fraction. So let's do it. How we have to do this question? 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. For this you have to find out the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 3 and 6 is our 6 only. So we will write 6 as it is. Now what you have to do is divide this number. ठीक है. You have to divide the denominator with, divide the LCM with the denominator of first one and whatever answer you get multiply it with 2. In the same manner denominator से आपको LCM को divide करना है एंड देन जो भी आएगा उसको न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 6 को 3 से डिवाइड करो, यू विल गेट 2, 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 6 को 6 से डिवाइड करो, यू विल गेट 1 इंटू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. So it will be 2 2s are 4 plus 1 divided by 6. So this is 5 by 6. ठीक है, let me take one more example. Like if we are having 3 by 10 plus 7 by 30. तो आप पहले LCM फाइंड आउट करो 10 एंड 30 का. एज यू नो LCM दोनों का क्या होगा, 30 ही होगा. तो मैंने 30 LCM लिखा. 30 को 10 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, 3. 30 को 10 से डिवाइड किया, 3 मिला. 3 की मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर में करो. 30 को 30 से डिवाइड करोगे तो यू विल गेट 1. 1 की मल्टीप्लाई 7 में करो, आपको क्या मिलेगा, 9 प्लस 7 बाई 30. 9 प्लस 7 बाई 30 विल बी 16 by 30, राइट. अब 16 by 30 is not in the lowest term. Let's convert them into the lowest term. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 8 by 15 is your answer. Try doing all the sums of exercise 7D. Whatever doubts you all have, you all can ask in the Zoom class. Is it clear? जितना ज़्यादा question you all will do, उतना ज़्यादा you all will learn about it. So take care, good luck and goodbye.